Southwest Florida, which is still recovering from Hurricane Ian's devastation, has become the country's most overpriced housing market. At the end of August, buyers in the area of Southwest Florida, which was severely damaged by Hurricane Ian in September, were shelling out an average of 70.43% more than the region's long-term price trend. According to statistical models of previous sales, the average home price is now $429,775, but it should be selling for $252,176, with buyers paying a premium of $62.66 above the region's long-term price trend. Boise, the most overvalued metro area since the researchers began the monthly analysis of the United States housing market last year. It fell to number 2. Based on the percent overpriced trend, Florida has 5 markets among the top 10 most overvalued. Apart from Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Palm Bay, Melbourne is ranked 4th, 60.42%. Lakeland is ranked 5th, which is 59.29%. Daytona Beach, Daytona is ranked 7th at 59.19%, and Tampa is ranked 9th at 58.18%. Hurricanes, which is the main cause of rising prices in Florida, are high demand combined with a scarcity of available homes. Despite the constant threat of hurricanes, other people still want to live in Florida because it's warm and business friendly. Several storms have already hit the state before, and more have since occurred, raising concerns that existing residents and transplants would choose to relocate elsewhere, but the state remains as popular as ever. And when it comes to storms, people have short memories in Florida. There really is no easy way. It is difficult to predict how the storm will ultimately affect Florida's housing and insurance markets. Even before Ian hit, Florida reinsurers began providing less coverage than the state's insurance companies preferred. The government-mandated insurance plans and citizens were only able to buy half as much reinsurance as they wanted at a price they were willing to pay. And the available coverage was expensive, with some reinsurers raising prices by up to 50%. Rising reinsurance rates have pushed Florida's insurers into deeper financial trouble. According to state data, the state's property insurers have lost money every year since 2017. Insurers in that state lost more than $600 million last year, despite the fact that no hurricanes made landfall in Florida. Even agents had difficulty finding homeowners insurance for their clients in recent years. People with modest homes had to pay $20,000 more per year for insurance, if they could find it at all. While companies will continue to offer insurance, it will be limited to $1 million in Miami and the Florida Keys and $700,000 elsewhere in the state. I'm telling you, it's less than the value of many of the homes in those areas. I know because I own one there. Whatever happens in Florida's housing and insurance markets, the siren songs for Florida's coastal towns will eventually continue. People will still desire to live in Florida, even if there's a lot of risk in it. The question is, can they contain it? Hey guys, well thanks for watching my video. Nonetheless, hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you got any questions, please enter it in the comments. Thanks.